Hello and welcome back to this new puzzle. Today we are going to talk about EURUSD and the connection with the DXY and what we can expect during this period of time. So the first one that we are going to look at is EURUSD. As we can see on the monthly chart that I am looking at, the historical price data are dating since May 2002. So if we are coming back to the actual price area, price is testing a very strong and critical zone for the time being. So price tested $1 is equal to 1 euro, as we have seen from the chart. This was already tested. But what is making this interesting and difficult in trading as well is that we are testing a strong critical area, that it is 1.000. It is a historical price zone. If we are going to look at the dates here, it is dating from June 2002, so this structure is very old. Probability is that it can hold very strong in the zone. The small structure, monthly structure, is within 1 and 0.9730. It is not a very strong structure, as you can see, but is historical one, so probably we can see the price to face the first strongest support here. This is the first reason. The second reason, and the most important, is that by testing 1.0, $1 barrel equal to 1 euro, we can see price to move higher because this is a strong psychological area here. And one thing that I'm taking in consideration as well is that we can see ECB to intervene during this period of time. So just be careful, because they can cross the wires just in surprise and they can pump you the euro very strong. Also, there is no reason for USD to be very strong during this period of time. On the other hand, we are looking at also this potential 5-wave movement, that probably we are on the third wave development, extended third wave. We can see a fourth wave, as I am anticipating here, and probably a fifth truncated wave. So this can be a potential scenario, considering the critical price area that the price is already facing close to this zone. We can anticipate that price should spend some time before it continues higher again. So this can be a very good turning point for Euro USD. What we need to be careful is that the trend is not going to change so fast. We need some confirmation for the type of trade. For this reason, I was looking at for any potential data that we can collect and how we can interpret it. And on the daily chart, this was the only scenario that I found. We have a potential channel pattern here, so price is developing on the daily chart within this pattern. I'm going to delete this, and we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and probably we are on the fifth wave here. Let's make it in this way to give it a bit more space, and you will see that this correction looks almost completed from this point of view. So this can be our potential area that we can see the jump to bounce above the pattern, and after that it can continue from this point. This is the only best scenario that I'm looking at here. Also the support of the channel that we can see, the support area, show it to be strong, and the price is respecting the support area. The confluence and the beautiful part that we already have here in this zone is this part here, the one that we have. Let's make it with a different color. So we have a very strong confluence. This is our confluence area. And our psychological price. This is our psychological price area 1.000. From here we can see the price to develop before it bounces above this descending channel, this part of the channel that I'm looking at. If this is going to happen, price is going to begin to increase very soon. If we are going to be on this situation, price can make this type of movement. I would like to see it a bit bigger, but it can end up also in this point. I don't like it in this point. It can happen somewhere close to the X wave that we are looking at. And after that, the price can come down before it will continue higher. So these are two potential scenarios that are related to each other in this example that I'm looking at on EURUSD. Let's go again on the monthly chart. And also exists the possibility that price can test the two potential areas as well, 0.97 and 0.9. However, I am expecting that 1-to-1 is enough for EURUSD and what we are looking at here, because the problems are not so big that euro should suffer more losses, in my personal opinion. And the next, we are going to look at this on two different perspectives. On the monthly chart, it keeps moving higher. We have a lot of history, previous history from the left part of the structure. Price is already close to very old support area, very old resistance area. Look at the resistance that is coming from the left. So resistance part, I have labeled some points, 110, 113 and 118 for some simple reasons. The first one where the price can also stop is this point here. Look at the point. This candle, probably we can see the price coming down from all of these areas. For the moment we don't have anything at all how we can anticipate the bearish movement on DXY. Everything is possible that the price can push. The last target that I'm looking at is one of the criteria that is used for taking in consideration this pattern price, and if I'm going to take the base, this is going to be the next target. Just one moment. So probably we can see the price to reach also 117. However, I don't see the price to come right now for many reasons, because US economy is not so strong. However, USD is just surprising us with this kind of movements. So everything is possible with this situation. But what I'm looking at as a strong and critical area is 1010. Probably this can be enough for a change in trend here. So this is the first area that I'm looking at for potential reversal. And overall, this should come in line with the one that we are looking at for the price reversal on EURUSD. So hope you enjoyed this analysis. Just wait for confirmation, because EURUSD is not strong yet. From 1.00 we saw a 50 pips movement. However, that is not enough. But this type of channel, the daily channel, has higher chances of happening and how the price may develop after that. So the price will spend some time before it keeps moving higher from this point. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button for more future contents. Thank you. Bye bye.